hello there. Just want to do a quick video. I've got this Central Machinery 5-speed bench press drill from Harbor Freight. Lost the key to the truck years ago, and I've been looking at Home Depot and other places, and just wasn't confident in what what sizes they had versus what sizes this thing is. It's probably Chinese. Who knows, right? Anyway, I came across another video. I just wanted to confirm that Harbor Freight does have this Drillmaster Universal Ratchet Chuck Key. This thing here, item number is 95473. It's about $5, and this is the key. This is the one that works. So it's the bigger of the two, but it's a little ratcheting deal here. But yeah, this is you can see it. It tightens and loosens the chuck. So if you need a key, if you've lost yours, this is the way to go. It's $5. Again, it's this Drillmaster Universal Chuck Key. Hope that helps you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.